Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine Edit. Maybe you don't know what this video is about, but I'm going to be sharing with you something I've used for over 2 weeks and I'm literally amazed with the result. So why don't you sit back, relax and keep watching. So guys, like I said, I'll be sharing with you a homemade face mask I made and have been using for the past 2 weeks, and I am so amazed with the result. Like, I had a lot of things on my face. I do have stubborn pimples and all of that on my face, but this stuff literally took out almost everything. Okay, so to make this face mask you need 3 ingredients. Now the first, turmeric, second, coffee, and the third, sugar. Now you might be asking, what are the health benefits of these 3? Are they going to work on my skin? Are they going to give me what I want? Are they going to take off my ins, my black spot, all of that? I am going to be answering all of that questions. Now I'm going to be telling you the health benefits of these 3 things. Now firstly, turmeric. Now we all know turmeric to be a spice used for cooking, and it's known for its multitude uses. Turmeric also have medicinal and beautifying benefits to the skin. Okay, so turmeric helps slow down cell damage due to its antioxidants. It also exfoliates the skin. It takes off ins and at the same time brightening up your skin. Now these are the health benefits of turmeric. Now let's talk about coffee. Coffee, we all drink coffee and still don't know that coffee has health benefits to the skin. Now coffee can be used externally on your skin and still gives you that flawless skin that you want. Coffee enhances circulation. It reduces wrinkles. It keeps your skin soft and bright. So coffee helps to prevent your skin from harsh sun rays. Now a lot of you does not know that, but yes, coffee does that. Okay, now let's talk about sugar. Sugar, we all know, adds sweetness to literally everything we eat and so, but not only that, sugar also adds sweetness to your skin. Wanna know how? I'm gonna tell you the health benefits of sugar. Sugar keeps your skin soft and smooth. Sugar also exfoliates the skin, and it also prevents your skin from drying and keeps it hydrated. Now that is what sugar does. Now imagine combining these 3 ingredients in one container and making it work for yourself. Like so these 3 ingredients, to make them, you should have your coffee, your turmeric, and your sugar. Now you should have this in grounded form. You don't want to go through the stress of grinding either of them. You should have them in a grounded form, so you just do your mixing. So to do this, you should have your turmeric, your coffee, as well as your sugar. Now to do this, you will have to put a saucepan of water and put a desired amount of turmeric into it. Now keep stirring till it makes a thick paste. Now that depends on the amount you want. If you want it to be much, if you want it to be small, that totally depends on you. So you just have to put it, let it simmer for a while, then till it thickens. Then you take it out and let it cool for a bit. Now once it cools down, you mix it with your coffee and your sugar. Now mix it thoroughly so that it has like a perfect mix. Okay, so once you have that, girl, you have your homemade face mask. Okay, so now once you have this, all you just need to do is just apply it like so. Now once you want to apply it, apply just the same way you apply your face mask. Okay, just apply it around your face and taking out, not close to your eyes as well, just around your face. And I like to use it with applicator because, a quick note guys, turmeric stains everything, like literally everything. It stains your clothes, your hands, or anything. So it is advisable you use an applicator so that it will ease your application, at the same time would not give you stress of cleaning up your mess. Okay, so that is just it. So what you want to do, just apply it around your face, leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, now once it's 15 minutes, you take off or wash it off literally, and go. In weeks time, you will be amazed with the way these 3 ingredients will transform your face. Okay, now I'm using a lot of other natural herbs. I just thought of, like, I wanted to change something, I wanted to try something new, and I'm like, okay, let me just see. And I went into searching and googling, and I bumped into coffee, turmeric and sugar scrub, which is like, I don't know, I first of all doubted it. I was like, would this thing work? Would it work for my face? Because I do have a stubborn skin, and most of the things I think to apply on my skin tend not to work so fast. But I was so amazed on how this thing took off and really brightened up my skin. Right now I'm having no makeup on, I just have my lashes and my lip gloss, so I don't look like a weirdo to you. So that's just what I'm having now. I have no makeup on, guys. I have no makeup on, so you can literally see how let me come a bit closer so you see, like, just few ends you can see. But if I can show you a picture of what I looked like before, you will see a transformation. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video, and please let me know in the comment section if you've tried this before, if it worked out for you, if you're trying to do it now, if you want to share any other thing, you want me to do any other video concerning beauty tips. I will be sure to receive your comments. And please guys, don't forget to follow media platforms, and I'll be sure to see you guys. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.